Hello, today we're going to the Milford transfer station. It's located off of North River Road. When you come in on the left-hand side, you'll see a bunch of bins. You could put books or shoes or fabric of any clothing, those type of things. This is a still good shed location where you can drop off something that is in still good use, and you can take what you need and drop off what you need. It is run by volunteers, so make sure you check the schedule before you come on down. On the side of the still good shed is a compost area, so if you had just some kitchen scraps, you could drop it off in there. If you had a lot, you could drive up here, and there's a little pile, and you can dump all of your compost in there and then cover it up with some leaves. It can also be moved over to a larger pile. The tractor will do that. And then once it gets down and broken down, it will become the black gold for composting. So if you wanted to get a couple of buckets and some shovels, you can help yourself and get some compost. You can also drop off larger debris like branches or leaves and so forth. You can bring those and dump them down here. And I think this is where the leaves go right here. If you had something like demolition that you needed to throw away, you'll have to get weighed first. So you drive in here, you go onto the weigh station, and the person will weigh your vehicle and all the construction material, and then you drive out here, and you drive way over to here, and you dump it all into these bins. And then you go back, and you go around the building, and you get weighed again, and then you pay how much the difference is of your weight. If you had like a refrigerator or some type of heavy or large appliance, you drive it in here, pay the fee, and then drive up here, and then you drop it off right here. There's a big long line of appliances. If you were just dropping off your household trash and you wanted to recycle, there's an area for glass, there's an area for tin like aluminum, like a soda can, cans like steel cans for like cat food and so forth. There's different bins for each one. And then there's also 3 different types of plastic. There's a spot for motor oil, and then if you had your household trash, you drive around here, and sometimes there's a long line. And if you had household trash, then you would just back your car in, and then there's some dumpsters there, and you can throw the trash into the dumpsters. There's also cardboard recycling. There's some bins for eyeglasses, for a plastic bag. On this side they have batteries, they have fluorescent lights, and on this side here they have an area for metal, so you can drop off, and sometimes there's a tractor there and you just throw it right into the bin. So that sums up the Milford transfer station. If you're looking to get a pass, you could get one at the weight station. Just bring some ID and a proof of residency. You can also go to the town hall to get a pass there as well. I hope you found this informative. Thank you.